Looking for a gentle face wash that leaves your skin clean, soft, and glowing without harsh chemicals? Let's make one at home using aloe vera and tomato. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm sharing a simple recipe for a mild, sulfate-free homemade face wash using fresh aloe vera and one of the easiest ingredients to find in your kitchen, tomato. Tomato is a common vegetable in almost every home. We use it in cooking all the time, and it also has powerful health benefits. But here's the cool part. Tomatoes aren't just good for your health, they're amazing for your skin too. Tomatoes contain natural acids that help balance oily skin and tighten pores. They also fight acne, brighten dull skin, and gently exfoliate dead cells, thanks to their natural enzymes and antioxidants. After preparing the tomato, set it aside and prepare the aloe vera gel. Now, take your fresh aloe vera leaf. Cut it into manageable pieces and remove the sharp edges. Aloe vera is a powerhouse when it comes to skincare. It hydrates deeply, soothes irritation, calms redness, and supports skin healing with its vitamins, enzymes, and anti-inflammatory properties. Scoop out the gel using a spoon. Then chop the gel into small bits. This will make blending easier. Toss the aloe vera and tomato into your blender and blend until the mixture is smooth and creamy. Next, strain the mixture using a mesh strainer or cheesecloth. This removes the pulp and gives you a smooth, clear gel. Next, measure out 161 grams of this aloe vera tomato gel. Add 30 grams of cocoa glucoside. It's a mild plant-based cleanser that won't dry out your skin. Plus, it adds a soft lather that makes your face wash feel a bit more luxurious. Now add 2 grams of sodium lactate. This acts as a humectant. It draws moisture into the skin and keeps it hydrated. It also helps adjust the pH of your face wash to make it gentler on the skin. Then, don't forget the preservative. This is essential because we're working with fresh ingredients. A preservative keeps your product safe by preventing bacteria, mold, and spoilage. In a separate bowl, mix 4 grams of glycerin with 1 gram of xanthan gum soft. Stir well until the xanthan gum is fully dispersed. This helps prevent clumps later on. Xanthan gum soft gives your face wash a smooth, refined texture. It thickens the gel just enough without feeling sticky or heavy. If you don't have this variant, regular xanthan gum is a great alternative. Once it's fully mixed, add it to your aloe vera mixture. Stir well, then let it rest for about an hour. This allows the xanthan gum to fully hydrate. Together, aloe vera and tomato make a perfect pair for a DIY face wash. You get the hydrating, healing power of aloe vera, combined with the brightening, pore refining action of tomato. It's a gentle combo that works well for most skin types, especially if you're looking for something soothing and natural that leaves your face feeling fresh and clean. Now for the final touch, add a few drops of your favorite essential oil. This step is optional, but it will add a nice scent and enhance the skin benefits. Pour your finished face wash into a pump or squeeze bottle, whatever works best for you. You'll notice a slight reddish tint. That's the natural color from the tomatoes. Over time, it might lighten, which is perfectly normal. And that's it. You now have a gentle homemade aloe vera and tomato face wash that's kind to your skin and easy to make. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more natural skincare and aloe vera plant care tips. This is Danny. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. God bless you.